Hi, my name is Stephanie, but everybody calls me Stem. I'm 23 years old and my birthday is on December 11th. I am a gerontologist and I'm working with elderly people. I study at hotel and tourism. Nowadays, I'm in post-graduation in mental health area at University of São Paulo in Ribeirão Preto, SP. I study in Ribeirão Preto, but I live in São Carlos and I was born in Guarulhos, SP. My family lives in Guarulhos. My family is formed by my father, my mother, and one brother. My father's name is Edson, my mother's name is Valeria, and my brother's name is Victor. My father and mother work in Correios, and my brother is a musician. He plays the bass, and he also gives classes. In São Carlos, I live with two girls, Carolina and Priscilla. Priscilla is studying improvement pediatric neurology, and Carolina is studying civil engineering. The girls and me love to sing together. Talking about it, I sang in madrigal choir. I loved this. About my skills, it's easy for me to work with groups, talk in public, and deal with elderly people. I can also video edit and to sew. I adore cooking and hang out with my friends and watching movies in cinema. About my previous experience, I was a trainee at University of Third Age, Universitary Hospital, Cantinho Fraterno Exilo, and Health Department. I had experience with planning of big events and management of small and large projects of age. Concerning my routine, during the week, I wake up in the morning every day and I go to university to meet my professor and talk about my research. I also participate of biblical study and on weekends I go to the church and to English class. Well, I told a little about me. I hope you have enjoyed. If you wanna know about my career as gerontologist, just contact me by email or social networks. Thank you very much. Bye bye.